How to place your first order on Grubhub. Hey everybody, in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step if you would like to do so. So let's just get started. First of all, start by entering into the application. You may head over the application in Grubhub, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface, the home interface on your screen. Now, in order to place your first order once your account has been created, as you can see on your home page, you can go ahead and find the restaurant or the food item or cuisine you're interested in. If not that, you can look out for the search bar at the top of your screen. You can just go ahead and tap on it simply. After that, you can just go ahead and type in your particular restaurant or cuisine and other preferences here. Once you've done that, you may just go ahead and look out for the product that you would like to place the order for. So let's say this one right here. So let me just head over that product, and you may just go ahead and then select the item you want to add. So you can basically head over the product and you can heart it out, or you can look out for this plus icon right before them. So for example, if I would like to add some products from this particular restaurant, you may just go ahead and tap on this plus icon and you can just go ahead and add it up to your cart. Now that the particular option is added to your cart, you just need to head over to this order section, tap on it, and when you head over to orders, here you'll be finding all of your orders. You can just go ahead and review your order and complete the checkout process, and that way your first order has been placed on Grubhub. So that is it. It is pretty quick and easy. If you have this application available, you can even use the website, and that way you can just go ahead and place your first order on Grubhub. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.